Kyra and Asmita were really close.
Yeah.
And that really like pinched me a bit because Asmita literally came out and she spoke shit on live.
Okay.
Like pre-planning अभी आप इंटरनेट में देख ही रहे होगे कि लोग pre-plan करके आ रहे हैं कि so we were just like fighting with each other for some reason like me and Niharika ठीक है and then she comes up and she's like और तू पिटी थी तुझे याद है ओ भाई 12 घंटे का शूट था जस्ट इमेजिन दैट तो क्या क्या ही होगा उसमें बहुत लोग एक्सपोज होंगे बहुत लड़ाइयाँ होंगी you guys will go I think flip about it people came out with proofs
Oh my god, yeah, I've heard about that on social media, but I
Yeah.
haven't believed कि अभी तक believe नहीं
they
हो रहा है
did
मुझे.
they came out with proofs like photos and that's crazy
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Hello, hi, namaste. This is Aishwarya and I am from India Forums. And today, joining me in a conversation is Preet Singh. Hello, welcome to India Forums.
thank you so much for having me
It's our
Thank
pleasure.
you.
Tell me, how are you?
me I am okayish dealing in life after of course
Splits,
Splits all the hate and everything it's like fine
But it's
Everything.
okay, na?
It's
अभी तो
okay.
हाँ, yeah. But
Kinda. It's okay, kinda. When you get there and read that hate for no reason, that's like a problem.
but over time क्या वो improve हुआ है?
I don't think so. Like the people who hate me will hate me for what reason? I don't know. Please God give me a reason. Like what did I even do?
Yeah, but at least you are away from all of that जो भी चल रहा है फिलहाल.
For sure, for sure. I'm away and I will I think always be away from
Yeah.
it.
But first of all, congratulations.
Thank
The
you.
season is being loved by so many people. It is called
Yeah.
one of the loved seasons in the history of Splitsvilla.
Yeah, thank
Tell me,
you.
how does it feel?
I mean, being on this season where people are going crazy about it is
Yeah.
crazy. I mean, I feel very blessed, of course. And of course, like if I'm going out, people are like knowing me from like, you're Preet, and that's crazy. Like I've always dreamt about it and I'm living it right now. It's like very nice. It feels very nice, just.
How would you like to describe your journey?
My journey was like I was like not even prepared for it. I think because I have not been with people who were in the reality space. I had no clue. And when I went there, I came to know that people already have made plans about how they're going to play the game, about how it's gonna be. And I knew nothing. I was like too naive for it. I was just being me. I thought that people are just like being them, but they were not. After some time, I realized, oh my god, this is like a bunch of fake people I'm dealing with. Like, I don't know. So for me, it was kind of toxic because my connections, of course. I think if I had a connection that was like as strong, I would have, of course,
Stayed
done
longer.
better.
Yeah.
Or if I knew people who were from this space and they would like tell me कि चलो मतलब ऐसा है ये तुम्हें ऐसे करना है, then I think my game would be a little better, you know.
Yeah.
I feel like that.
You mentioned about pre-planning and stuffs.
For sure.
Who are they?
I think everybody, you know, like
हाँ.
thought about a character and they played it.
Okay.
Like pre-planning अभी आप इंटरनेट में देख ही रहे होगे कि लोग प्री प्लान करके आ रहे हैं कि तुम आ जाना एंड ऑल दैट एंड देन ऊपर से there's Anushka who
Yeah.
told me after Split, she told me that bro, you know, I had a character, I had to play that and everything. So I was like, wow. I mean, that's something interesting. That's how reality space is.
Exactly.
Then it's crazy.
But then being real is nothing then.
Nothing. Like that's what I was thinking. I was like sitting and thinking about it. Like, what is reality shows like? People have just come, they act, and then they leave, and people like the drama they are giving.
Yeah.
I mean, what the hell is that? I don't get it. I was just me all the time. I'm still me, and you see, after coming out, these fake connections that were there, they're all breaking up.
Yeah,
Why? Because
yeah.
you can't keep a fake narrative for a very long time. You will get tired of it. at least I am sleeping very calmly that bro, I didn't have to feed today. So that's the point, you know.
I know, I get it.
Yeah.
You know, initially, in the initial phase, people used to call Anisha Dora the Explorer.
Mm-hmm.
But while your journey was coming to an end, then people started making reels saying ki about how Anisha was not, but you were the explorer.
Yeah.
जैसे कि पहले Ayush, then Vishu, then Saurabh, then Harshit, then Vishu.
Yeah.
How do you react to that?
See, I do not care
Yeah.
because I know what was happening inside,
Exactly.
and people do not know that. People just like see an instance and they just assume that's bad. That's not how actually you should deal with it. I was dealing with it. Now, aap batao. My first connection. You tell me, okay?
Yeah.
My first connection, I was
Ayush.
okay, fine. I was initially coming to know him and everything and all that. It was cute and everything. But then later on, we were not compatible. Like, he told me things that I did not like. I told him things that he did not like. So when I was thinking that I think I should like probably move on, he got eliminated.
Yeah.
First of all, not my problem. Huh? Second, Saurabh, Vishu was always like there as a friend.
Yeah, I know.
From day one, he was there as a friend. And then Saurabh, fine, he came in, we spoke, we were like quite relaxed with each other and everything.
Yeah.
The whole villa was seeing it. Okay. As the swap happened, flipped. Where's my problem? Not my problem again. Then in between, Vishu comes in. He's like, I want to play with you. I like you. So I was like, I don't know. तब तक Saurabh flip नहीं करता. तब तक I was like, wait, let me talk to Saurabh and then I can change on you because I don't know you. He might like just get angry or something. So I did not want to, you know, do these relationships. मतलब, I did not want to hurt the relationship or whatever. So मैंने बोला रुक जा. He got flip. मतलब विशु गुस्सा हो गया and he's like चल छोड़ तूने मुझे मना किया ये वो. मैंने बोला चल रहने दे तुझे जो करना है तू कर. Then later on when I was trying to play with Vishu, he was like मैं तुझे पसंद करता हूँ but मैं खेलूंगा सुजैन के साथ. That bro is like flipped. ठीक है वो मतलब वैसा है थोड़ा मतलब थाली का बैंगन. बैंगन also is like I think better than Vishu right now. ठीक है. फिर वो flip किया उसे मेरी क्या दिक्कत. हर्षित के साथ I was like really performing very well. We were dominating the whole game and everything. उसने लड़ाई करके निकल गया. इस चारों चीजों में मेरी क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Like I did not like change the connection while a connection was there, you know. I changed because something or the other was happening. I had to stay in the game. But still, if people are thinking that I changed connection for I don't know what, not my problem. I swear, I'm like done thinking about it. So
But विशु के लिए कभी भी कोई feelings आई बीच में?
I mean, I thought कि Vishu was really close और जो भी है क्योंकि end तक I knew that prank that happened. ठीक है?
हाँ.
मुझे पता था वो एक prank था. 10,000 split coins का था. I could like just keep it and not give it to him.
Yeah.
But I was like, it's okay. He's really close to me from day one. I do not care. Everybody was telling me it's a prank. I said, I know, but it's Vishu, so I'll just give it. You know, I'll just act like I don't know something. I'll just give it. But बंदा वही जब जिस दिन उसने बोला ना सबके साथ, he made a fun of me because behind the camera 5 minutes ago he came and he told me that I'm going to tell everybody today that I'm going to play with you, please. I don't know, देखेंगे क्या होता है. And then on camera he's like, I just don't want to play with you. I want to play with you. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, just tell me, no? Like, मुझे बता दो. If you don't want to play with me, why would I like run behind you?
Yeah.
You're not even worth it. Why would I? So मैंने उसको बोला कि तू मेरा मजाक क्यों उड़ाया? You remember that clip where I like burst out? People are like, why is she even expecting and all that? But you exactly like people do not know what happened behind the cameras.
Yeah.
You see what is shown to you. You understand the feeling of a person. Why would I burst out for a person who is like running behind every girl? I would not. That's not me. In real life also, that's not me. If you have to choose between two people, please choose the other girl and not me. So that's the thing, you know, and I think girls should be like that. But then that day I realized, no bro, he played the whole game in the name of two people. I was very stupid to understand that people are nice in this villa or in this planet also. So just take a step back.
Yeah.
So I took a step back. And now that they are outside, I'll tell you what these two young people are doing. They're just like making reels against me. Like, bro, what did I even do? Like, that girl Suzanne. एंड में जब वो प्रैंक हुआ शी वाज लाइक जस्ट गिव मी द स्प्लिट कॉइंस यू कीप द कनेक्शन इफ यू हैव वांट टू हैव अ कनेक्शन ब्रो कम ऑन फाइट फॉर योर कनेक्शन यू आर क्राइंग फॉर स्प्लिट कॉइंस हाउ stupid is that? So I don't know, I was dealing with a lot of things. I was dealing with too much fakeness and I was tired of it. By the end I was like, thank God I'm moving out. Thank God. I was like so happy. बस यही है. Oh God. If I talk about it, I relive it, and I don't want
Flashbacks आ जाते
to. I
हैं
don't
ना?
want to. I have a very peaceful life where I do not, talk to people like this. I'm really happy outside. As a person, also, I'm a very happy, joyful person.
Yeah.
So that's it.
But while your journey was coming to an end, you still had that hope कि विशु शायद मेरा idol match हो सकता है.
Yeah.
But of course you found out. But tell me, if not विशु तो कौन हो सकता था आपका idol
I was
match?
pretty sure Harshit और मैं idol match थे.
हाँ.
I was pretty sure because how our journey also went, it was crazy. कोई ये जो अस्मिता वगैरह ये कहते हैं कि you did not do anything to be in that game. What did you do? Like, I don't know. Everyone was dealing with each other. मतलब किसी ना किसी के नाम पे सब आगे चल ही रहे थे. People are saying I went आगे कायरा के नाम पे. Like, I don't know. I played the game. We won the game, and our side of the people were all in the danger zone. Me and Harshit won the game. We went for an idol match. Asmita, did she even go for the idol match? I don't think so. So I don't know. These people have a big mouth to talk and do nothing. So, I was pretty sure that Harshit was my idol match.
But show में शायद idol match नहीं मिले आपको, but you got your girls.
For
That
sure.
gang जिनको बहुत question किया जा रहा था day one से, but that's the only girls gang जो अभी भी still standing strong. Touch wood.
Let's go. Yeah, see? That's
know.
what. You can't keep fake things for too long. It will die down. And we were never fake. We fought a lot. We fought like crazy inside the villa. Me, Kyra, we fight. Outside also we came and we fought. But at the end of the day, when we meet, we are the same people like we were. That's the fact about, two things I feel.
और friendship breakups के बारे में बात करूँ तो we recently saw Niharika and Asmita's friendship fallout. Then Suzanne and Akanksha's. Tell me about that. क्या कहना चाहोगे?
मैं तो यही कहना चाहूंगी कि तुमने दोस्ती करी है तो क्लाउड के नाम पे करी है, तो वो कभी ना कभी तो टूटेगा ही. आई फील हम देखो like now Asmita and Niharika, they followed each other, I think. They unfollowed each other. And then they followed.
Yeah, abhi aisa
That's crazy. I think she really needs clout from her again, I think. Now Asmita, she unfollowed, then she followed. जब उसने unfollow किया, she went to Kyra. Kyra and Asmita were really close.
Yeah.
And that really pinched me a bit because Asmita literally came out and she spoke shit on live for Kyra, for me, for her. And then Kyra still, if she's being friends, then I don't know. I don't know what to say. So that girl, I'm pretty sure she's a clout chaser. She'll do anything for it. Now I think she's going back to Niharika because
after the finale thing, na?
Yeah, after the finale, because she might just need clout. And Suzanne and Akanksha, I don't know, bro. These people are sick. I don't know. It's weird. I don't know. It's weird. I will never be friends with people who talk behind my back.
Exactly.
And these people do with each other. They talk. I have so many tea, on them. Like Suzanne talking shit about Akanksha, Asmita talking shit about Niharika outside.
Okay. After the show.
After the show. And then on the face, they're like, oh yeah, you're my bestie, you're my bestie. You don't do that. I don't do that. I would probably not even look at them as friends. I don't want. I always choose quality over quantity anytime.
I think people are now looking at that कि कैसे Suzanne and Asmita को अब बोला जा रहा है कि ऐसे friends हमें भी नहीं चाहिए, because they used to be so good on good terms with Akanksha and Niharika as well, right?
Yeah, for sure. Everybody was all together and everything fell out. So that's crazy. Still, again saying, you can't keep fake things for long, So that's good.
Also, Preet, you have always called out Niharika and Saurabh's bond fake,
Yeah.
क्या आपको लगता है कि अभी क्योंकि वोटिंग सिस्टम आ गया है फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन द हिस्ट्री, टेल मी ये कहीं ना कहीं हिंट था पहले से ही कि फिनाले में शायद ऐसा आ सकता है?
हो सकता है, आई थिंक फ्यू पीपल न्यू कि ये वोटिंग
Okay.
सिस्टम होने वाला है, बिकॉज जस्ट आफ्टर द शो, like after the show, like a month or so something, Saurabh met Zalak and he was like,
Yeah, she shared this ना
Yeah.
on some event or something.
yeah, they went to an event and he told कि ये एक voting system होने वाला है. How did he
अच्छा.
know? I don't know. How did he know? But yeah. So after that, I'm pretty sure they just planned everything कि अगर हम नहीं दिखेंगे तो people will not like us. You know, because now you see Sandy and Tame.
Yeah.
ठीक है, now उनका क्या सीन है? They are not like related anyway. उनको वोट्स नहीं आएंगे
Exactly.
at the end of the day. So they just did this for like just to be seen, I think, कि हम हैं couple.
Also, since you're close to Kaira as well, हमें बताइए क्योंकि बीच बीच में ना उनका भी कायरा एंड गुल्लू का भी अनफॉलो फॉलो वाला सिचुएशन हो रहा था.
Yeah.
वो क्या था? ऑफ कोर्स नाउ दे आर ऑन गुड टर्म्स, टच वुड, बट टेल मी उस टाइम पे क्या हो रहा था उनके बीच में?
See, I think Gullu is very like career oriented, ठीक है?
Yeah.
तो वो कभी कभी busy रहता है, या he does not have time or he does not see things like that. But Kaira is very emotionally involved in everything.
Yeah.
So ऐसा होता है ना कि अब गुल्लू से बात नहीं कर रहा तो वो कहेगी तू मेरे से बात क्यों नहीं कर रहा, तू यहाँ है, तू हर चीज कर रहा है मेरे से बात. So they are like this new couple that
Some
you know,
cute वाला
yeah,
banter
cute
होता है.
couple that just like are very feisty with each other and
Yeah.
they are cute also. They'll try to figure, it's like they're just figuring each other out right now. And beginning में that initial stage, you know, they have this where even if I meet someone initial stage में बहुत लड़ाई होगी.
हाँ.
I'm like, you can't do this, you can't do this. This is exactly like that.
Yeah.
They're way too cute together.
I know,
Way too
yeah.
cute.
I hope they will.
I think, yeah, me too. I hope they win for a fact. But yeah, they're kind of like cute.
Yes. I would like to take you a little back. जब निहारिका ने BYOG एपिसोड में आपके बारे में कुछ चीज़ें कही योगेश एंड गुल्लू को इन्वॉल्व करके, of course you spoke about that, you clarified your side, but I want to know जब ये चीज़ें बाहर आई थी, what were you and your family going through?
Of course, see, now my parents are new into this
Yeah.
also. They have no clue. They never watch splits. They never watch reality show, nothing. So when this comes out, my mom is like, what is happening? Like everything. So I was like, I don't know. See, people will do anything to, you know, bring the other person down. I can react to it. I cannot react to it. That's up to me. So I did not react much. I was like, this is my side. You guys want to understand, you understand.
Yeah.
But they are pretty like, my parents are like quite understandable. You know, they just know that I'm mature enough to deal with things myself because I've stayed alone like half of my life.
Yeah.
Like without my parents, I've dealt so many things alone. So they just know that I'm grown up to be a woman. I'm not a girl who would just go and, you know, talk nonsense about each other and whatever. I'm not that. But yeah, I mean, this shows the background, you know, the other person is coming from. So I'm like, I do not even want to explain. I'm like done. This was my side. People have to know, understand. They understand. Otherwise, just let it go. You do not react at all. I feel like that.
How do you handle such situations?
I just ignore it. Like ignorance is, I think, a bliss. They say. So I just ignore it. How much do I explain something to people that they are not ready to understand?
Yeah.
I can explain it to people who are near me. I can explain it to 10,000 people who don't even know me as a person. So yeah, just that.
Also, you know, recently you shared an
Yeah.
unfortunate incident that happened to you. You were physically assaulted. मैं तो imagine भी नहीं कर सकती कि आप कितने pain से गुजरे हो. Tell me, how are you now? Have you overcome it?
No, I am still dealing with it. Like mentally, I'm still dealing with it. I am not going out. Like I'm a person, I'm like wild and I'm free as a human being. So I go out, I have fun, I take my friend. One
Yeah.
friend is enough. I also go out alone also sometimes. Like that's just me. I've been like that my entire life. This time, it was so traumatic that right now I cannot go out for like alone. I have to take a guy with me or something because it feels so weird that कुछ लोग that are hating on you will just like come and do anything to like put you so down. It was so traumatic to me, you know,
Yeah.
so traumatic. Because trust me, that was not even my fight. That was Zalak. Like that was Zalak's fight. Like
Okay.
someone just came up and spoke shit to Zalak. But she is so close to me, and if I am standing there and she's more naive than I am, then I don't want her to deal with that same thing. I'm like thankful that nothing happened to her.
Yeah.
I can deal with it. I've dealt with it some like before also, so it's okay. But still, it was very traumatizing because I thought कि Bombay में like people are like better because Delhi में this happens. This is normal in Delhi. Like people will come, they'll push you, do this, do that. That's okay. But Bombay it was little traumatizing because I'm new to this place. मतलब एक महीने ही हुआ था बस आए हुए and this happened. But yeah, एक दो दिन एक वीक मुझे बहुत बहुत दिक्कत हुई. I cried like crazy because at that point I was helpless. As a human, I can just like punch the fuck out of her and I can like knock her out. I'm sure I could do that because that girl was very petite than me. But I did not do that because everybody knows me for like she's strong. अगर मैंने कुछ कर दिया होता और कुछ अलग हो जाता, nobody would question her. Everybody would question me as a person that you did it. People are still writing that you would have done something. That's why. But they don't know. She randomly comes up and she's like, "Who got you in this club?" I'm like, "What? Like,
That
what's
was
your
so
problem?"
random.
So random.
Yeah.
I didn't even know that person. I was like having fun with Zalak. We were laughing, smiling, dancing, and everything. Randomly, she'll come. She's like, "Ew, who got you in this club?" I'm like, "What the hell is that?" Like, come on. For a switch, I see she's pushing me. For a switch, I see someone coming out and like just pushing and all that doing. उसमें मेरा दांत टूट गया. This tooth, okay. And I just fixed it the next day because I have things to do in life. My eye was still swollen. I have all the doctor's certificate or whatever needed. I have everything. Took me a while to come out of it because we had an event like after 2 days. But yeah, it was like very traumatizing. I don't know.
You mentioned she's a influencer.
She is.
Why didn't you expose her?
I wish. I really wanted to. But you know what? Like, you don't have to react to everything. That girl, she might have something in her mind that she just randomly came up and she did this. You know, why
For
would
content?
for content, maybe for clout, maybe for I don't know. Because see, I'll tell you, I have haters. Okay?
Yeah.
I don't know why, but I do. Now my haters will like what she did. You know, that's the maths. Like I
Okay.
think, like they will follow her. She'll get followers and all that. And she's done this before. Like I asked my friends and everything. People know her. So उन्होंने बोला she's a psychopath. She's done this before, just for clout. So I was like, no, I am not going to react on it at all. I could literally press charges on her because if my something happens to my face, then that's like a half murder or something that I came to know. So I could do everything I wanted. I could take money out of her, do anything. But I would probably just let it go. It's okay, whatever happened. The next time this happens, I will literally do my part. But I think right now I have a lot to lose.
Yeah.
It's just everything is new for me. I stay alone apart from my parents. My parents freaked out because that night when it happened, the next day I told them I fell down. Because they would freak out, they would be like, "What the fuck? Like, just come back home."
Yeah.
So I was like, I fell down and everything. And when this video, I uploaded the video, oh my god, I cannot tell you. My mom, she panicked. She did not use her phone for 2 days because it was everywhere. मतलब वो आ ही रहा था उनके फोन में. And so I don't want my parents to deal with anything that I am dealing with. I deal with it, I look for it, I figure it out. अब वो पुलिस का चक्कर होता, वो वहाँ से परेशान होते, मैं परेशान होती. So I was just like, let it go. I'm not giving her unnecessary footage of whatever she wants because she probably has something going on in her mind. So, yeah.
क्या mentally अभी भी आप उस चीज को flashbacks आते हैं?
आते
You're
हैं.
still dealing with it.
Yeah. So I just wanted to talk about it. Like,
Yeah.
Finale हुआ. You guys know that finale just happened.
Yeah.
ठीक है? So we were just like fighting with each other for some reason, like me and Niharika. ठीक है? And then she comes up and she's like, और तू पिटी थी तुझे याद है? I was like, fuck, like, and that time जैसे उसने बोला ना, I got blank because everything that happened just like came into my mind. I was like, I was shut, and then luckily I have a friend like that, like Zalak ने उठा, मतलब जैसे मैं चुप हुई, she understood what I felt. She was far sitting away from me.
Okay.
उसने समझा, and then she just like gave back to her where I couldn't. So I'm blessed to have a friend like Zalak, of course. But if people are praising a person like Niharika who's like coming back so low, then I'm sorry. I don't know what people are looking up to, and that's very bad. She just said कि और अच्छा लगा that you got hit. I'm like, are you serious? Like you were not there.
Yeah.
Like that was not even her language. Her language was more cheap. I'm still using better language. So I was like, sorry. Ki, I don't know. Like it really like triggered me. It hurt me. I wish I could like slap her or something that time, but I just didn't want to, of course. And I'm just upset. How uneducated is she that talking, coming up like this for someone? Okay, fine. We are enemies. We don't want to look at each other, whatever. But इंसानियत नाम की चीज हर इंसान में होती है. I think she does not have it.
Yeah.
She's like just mean.
Please take care of yourself.
Thank you so much.
क्योंकि अब फिनाले के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो देयर आर सो मेनी कंटेस्टेंट्स जो बोल रहे हैं कि जस्ट वेट फॉर द फिनाले के लिए वेट करो. व्हाट्स दैट? क्या होने वाला है ऐसे फिनाले में?
ओ भाई 12 घंटे का शूट था. जस्ट इमेजिन दैट. तो क्या क्या ही होगा उसमें. बहुत लोग एक्सपोज होंगे, बहुत लड़ाइयाँ होंगी. You guys will go, I think, flip about it. I think you're gonna like see how people were so fake all this while. जो ये एक दूसरे को प्रेज कर रहे हैं कि ये ऐसी है, ये ऐसा था, ये प्यार में पड़े and all that. That's all I can say. But yeah, it's gonna flip you. We also were like, what? Was this even like possible and all that?
Yeah.
So yeah.
बट जो सवाल अभी तक जनता के दिमाग में था, क्या उन सबको अपना जवाब मिलने वाला है फिनाले में?
Yeah. सबको अपना जवाब मिलने वाला है.
Okay.
एंड जो तुम एक इंसान के बारे में कुछ इंसान के बारे में सोचते हैं, and you think these people are very nice, from my end they will turn out to be a villain, and people you think are villains are the nicest people.
Okay.
So that's what's gonna happen.
Okay. Also on social media there are
Yeah.
so many stories about कि फिनाले में रूरू ने आकांक्षा को एक्सपोज कर दिया है, योगेश को एक्सपोज कर दिया है, सुजैन एंड अस्मिता ने भी किया है, एंड इवन योगेश हैज कंफर्म्ड कि रूरू और उनका प्री प्लानिंग था.
That's true for a fact.
Okay.
I never thought that this was possible, but of course it was shocking for me also.
Yeah.
He Yogesh or Ruru pre-planned and they were looked so much in love. He
Yeah.
just said I love you to her like
On the
camera.
stage, yeah.
But it was all fake. Oh my god, it's like some thriller movie that I was seeing. I swear to God कि thriller movie चल रही थी. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था.
हमें
It's crazy.
धक्का मिलने वाला है बहुत बड़ा.
बहुत. People came out with proofs.
Oh my god. Yeah, I've heard about that on social media, but I
Yeah.
haven't believed कि अभी तक believe नहीं हो रहा है मुझे.
They came out with proofs like photos. And that's crazy. But हम परेशान हो रहे थे यार. 4 घंटे हो गए ये बोले ही जा रहे हैं, खत्म करो. That's not our fight or whatever. Everyone was frustrated. फिर at the end they were like just finish it. It's like the same thing you guys are talking about. We know who is at fault. Just let it go.
Well, of course, हमें ये सब देखने को मिलेगा. But lastly, before we wrap up, tell me what's next for you? कोई upcoming projects lined up है?
Yeah, I'm preparing for another reality show.
Okay.
For a chance, matlab, I will of course give a chance to it or whatever. But yeah, I hope that happens. Baki, I'm just enjoying. I'm a person who just like roams and enjoys and shit like that. So, yeah,
And
that's
I
all.
hope कि वो reality show के through people will get to see that side of yours.
Yeah, no?
जो actually, who you are as a
Yeah.
person.
I really want people to know me as a person because MTV has shown me like I'm like so serious और मुझे बस कोई लेना देना नहीं, बस लड़ाई करना है. No bro, I'm a person full of love. I do not care about life. I have dealt with a lot of anxiety in my life and I think that अगर मैं मतलब life को seriously लूँ, life is not even serious. At the end of the day, everybody is going to die. Why are you taking it so seriously? Just have fun. I just feel, and I want to tell that to everybody also, just have fun. You don't know, and be humble because you don't know what the other person is dealing with.
Yeah.
They might be just like suicidal and smiling on your face. One thing can trigger them and can end everything. So just be humble and nice to people. That's all.
Yeah. Well, that's what we had for you. Thank you so
Thank
much
you
for
so
joining
much.
in.
Thank you
And
so
all
much.
the very best.
Thanks a lot. It was so much fun.